San Miglite. Dinner date namin ni John. With Isnaku and Paksiw. Talagang pagkain pang bagets. Tapos, yan, pakwan. Ayan. Honey, what did you say our dinner date?
I say it's good.
Yeah.
Dive in, baby. Let's eat. But no
So,
rice.
No rice, no need because we need to get drunk. Wait, honey, no. How you did do? Wala kaming opener. We don't have opener. So,
Oh,
you know
well,
how to this?
I can open them. I thought
Mag-drink,
they
lalasing kami
I thought they screwed off. They don't screw off.
sa, I don't know, sa tig-isang bote ng San Miglite. Yan.
Pop off that thing.
Paksiw ang aking pulutan. Ito na yung celebrate namin ng Christmas. Uwi na kasi si Joe eh.
Good am.
How is fish, honey?
Good.
Right? This is bangus belly. Those
It's what? What kind of fish?
bangus belly.
Okay.
Milkfish in English.
Oh, okay.
Wala, lasing yata ako. Ano ba yun? Ay, si Bonjing. Nagpalit naman sila ni Mina. Ayun. May dalawa kaming bantay. Ayan, ang bantay namin. Yung, ganyan lang kami dalawa dito. Love you, honey.
Love you too. This is good, baby.
Mamimiss ni Daddy Joe yung dalawa. Si Nina at saka si Bonjing. Yan. Wait, Nina. Yan. Tatayo siya dyan ng ilang minuto, magpapahangin. Tapos maya-maya papasok na rin yan. Kain ng kain, kaya ang laki-laki eh. Here.
What?
The light here. The light there. Turn off. Just turn off outside the light. No, it's not that. The light. It's not that light. Not Christmas light. Uwi na yan bukas. Kaya, kanina nag-celebrate kami, nag-dinner date kami. Yun na yung Christmas namin. Oh. Beautiful Christmas light, honey. Yan yung mga in-order ko sa Shopee. Ganda naman. Nagsara na si Kano. Pasok na rin ako. Good night, guys. Thank you po.